Yo, what is going on, everyone? Welcome to today's video. A ton of you guys have been asking me when I'm gonna be doing like a driving video or a POV video with this car right here. So we're in the Subaru right now. We're in the WRX. Main reason is because honestly, this car was pretty quiet for a long time. You couldn't really hear the exhaust on video, as well as it was super boring to drive. So that's the main reason why we never really made those types of videos with this car. But if you guys have been following recently on the channel, we actually just threw on a full exhaust as well as a stage 2 tune on this car, and it just completely changed the driving experience, and it is finally loud. We finally got some noise out of this car, and it's actually fun to drive now. So what better way is there to show you guys than by making a brand new POV video strictly focused on the WRX today. So that's exactly what we're gonna be doing. Before we head out, we got to do the usual cold start of the WRX. This thing is so loud on startup in the morning. It is ridiculous. Car's honestly super dirty right now. I'm probably gonna end up washing this thing later on towards the end of the video because this thing is filthy. I actually just got a brand new power washer as well as the sick foam cannon. So we got a whole bunch of like car washing products. I'm super excited to try out because I've never really had like car wash products like that. So that should be fun. Probably do that later on. I feel like we've been doing a lot of installs on the channel and just adding stuff to the cars, but I've been reading the comments and I've seen some comments saying you guys want to see me take out the GoPro again. Strap up with the GoPro, get some shots, get some outside shots, also some POV driving as well, just like the old times, because I know I used to do those a lot back when the channel kind of first started. I used to do a lot of driving videos, so I guess you can say today's a little bit of a throwback video type of vibe, and I'm excited. These videos are always fun to make. But yeah, real quickly before we take the car on a drive, I just real quickly wanted to go over what's on the car for those of you who may be new or who may be asking throughout the video. Performance wise, honestly, there's not much done to it. So through the back end, you can see we have a Tomei Expreme titanium exhaust. Just the Tomei alone, it was not loud whatsoever. So with the Tomei, we installed the Perrin J-pipe. The catted down pipe with no resonators. So I still have my cats. With the J-pipe, you need a tune, so we actually tuned the car over to Cobb stage 2. With that being said, I don't think we're gonna be stepping on it too much in this video. I'll step on it just a little bit, but nothing too crazy because we are on the off-the-shelf tune still. I still need to get this car pro-tuned, but until then, we will be on the off-the-shelf tune by Cobb. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. So those 3 things for performance, that's pretty much all I have on the car. I don't think I'm forgetting anything, but if I do, I'll be sure to tell you guys throughout the video. Yeah, guys, with that being said, let's go ahead and put this GoPro on and get some driving shots. Oh, I forgot to air up. That was so bad. I forgot to air up. Oh my gosh, dude, that's so embarrassing. But yeah, guys, like I said, I'm probably not gonna be stepping on it too much because, like I said, we still are on the off-the-shelf tune, and I definitely need to get this car pro-tuned. So I've been kind of waiting on a few other mods like an intake and flex fuel before we go pro tune. And honestly, I'm actually trying to find a tuner in general because a few of them actually stopped tuning in California due to everything going on. So if you guys have a tuner in Southern California, drop them down in the comment section below. I know a few tuners, but they're pretty backed up, honestly. So I kind of want to get a list of tuners that I can check out down here, just in case. Oh shoot, there's a dip right here. I hope you guys can hear the exhaust well with the GoPro. I know the audio is kind of shaky on these cameras, and this car is definitely not as loud as like the FRS, so I hope you guys can hear it well. Woke the car up big time. This car was so boring to drive. Like honestly, I was starting to get tired of it. Like I was really starting to get bored of this car until I got this tune and the exhaust setup. It just made the biggest difference. And if you guys are contemplating on getting stage 2, I definitely recommend it because it really gets rid of that whole like torque loss like after 3,000. After the stage 2 tune, it builds up after that. Like it feels so nice. The car really shines like second and third gear. You can really feel it. Like stock is crazy. Like it just, you step on it and it just dies like right away. I'm like, what the heck? Go to third gear again. And the sounds it makes, like it's so sick. Makes like the sickest pops ever. Ooh, those are some good pops. As you can see, I already got a check engine light. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go ahead and erase that code right now. That thing has been popping up honestly every now and then, and a lot of you guys told me it's because I actually have a Perrin downpipe. So with a Cobb tune, you actually need a Cobb exhaust and a Cobb downpipe or J-pipe. So that's pretty much why I'm getting the check engine light on this car, is because I don't have a Cobb exhaust and I don't have a Cobb downpipe. That being said, pretty much every downpipe and every exhaust is different regarding airflow. And with the Cobb tune, they pretty much require you to use the Cobb stuff. So that's pretty much why this check engine light just keeps wanting to pop up. It's funny, it actually hasn't come on in a while. This is actually the first time it came on in a very long time. Plug in access port, troubleshooting, pretty much good to go. It's really fast, honestly. It takes like 30 seconds. Check engine light is gone. This exhaust sounds so good. Like the turbo noise, gosh. You just hear the turbo out the back. It sounds so good. Get over that. I don't care how childish it sounds, but just like the pops and bangs and everything make the car like 10 times more fun to drive. It's such a childish thing to say, but like, I don't know, it's just so true. Like, something about it. So mid unboxing of the new power washer, it just starts to rain. Literally was setting up to wash and it just starts raining out of nowhere. I was really looking forward to using that thing, but guess we gotta wait a few more hours. There goes washing the cars, since obviously it's freaking raining outside. So Danny actually made some clear tails for his car. He actually tried them out just for fun. But he took them off, he put his OEM tails back on, and I actually wanted to test fit these on the FRS because I've actually been thinking about doing this myself. I even went ahead and bought some OEM tail lights for when I actually clear them. But for the meantime, since Danny made some, I want to go ahead and actually test fit these on the FRS and see what they look like, see if I like them, before I actually commit to making my own set of clear tails. So since we got nothing to do, since we can't wash, let's go ahead and test fit these on the FRS. Dude, since the pops and bangs are crazy on the FRS, my exhaust tip always comes loose. It's so annoying. It happens all the time. One side on. What do you guys think? The Valentes or the clear tails? Hard choice, honestly, but I think I'm gonna run with these for a little bit just to see how it is. Something different as well too on the car. Had these on the car for so long now, so it's a nice change. That's crazy. It looks completely different. We're gonna go ahead and throw on the other one on this side. Getting wet right here, so let's go and do that. Alright guys, we're out the garage now. Before we head out too far, since it's raining out, go ahead and turn this thing off. Time to have some fun. It's raining like crazy out here. God dang. That sounds so sick though. Bro, I didn't get it on film, but I just spun out so bad, like, and those hella cars behind me. I tried to make it seem like I knew what I was doing. But I didn't though. But dude, that was so freaking embarrassing. Oh my gosh, there's like hella cars behind me. On like a main turn too, like I just spun out like so quick. It was so awkward. Oh my gosh, there's like cars behind me. I wish I got that on film though. That was crazy. go hard. They go so well with the wheels. Now I'm thinking if I do this myself, I'm thinking of actually painting these white instead of like the silver color. Just like white to go ahead and match like all the white accents that I have on the car. What do you guys think? Should I do like the silver like this, or just like flat out go white just to match like the wheels and stuff? But that's crazy. That's like a nice little change right there. Looks completely different than the Valenti taillights. I don't know. I'm not too sure how I feel about them, honestly. They're still OEM taillights at the end of the day, so I just can't get OEM out of my mind whenever I look at these. I think aftermarket LEDs look much better, but yeah, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about them, honestly. They're cool, but they're not all the way there for me. But quick little walk around in the rain. Looks so sick in the rain. I feel like I haven't taken this car out in forever either. Like, I always drive the WRX now, but it was nice whipping this thing around in the rain, having a little bit of fun. But yeah guys, that's pretty much gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the little driving video we did with the WRX. I guess you can say the first impressions of stage 2 on that car. It was fun. It was like a throwback type of vibe for me. Haven't made one of those videos in a while, so it was super fun to grab the GoPro and make one of those videos again. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, leave a like on the video and comment down below what you guys think. And also feel free to comment down below some video ideas you guys have been wanting to see on the channel. Anything you guys have been wanting to see, like day in the lives, more FRS videos, more WRX videos, stuff that I do aside from cars. Anything you guys want to see on the channel, some video ideas, feel free to comment them down in the comment section below. I always read all the comments. But yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and leave you guys for today. I hope you all have a good one today. Make it a good one, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Peace.